This app promises to increase conversion rate, qualify leads, engage with prospects, and do a lot more other things all on autopilot, essentially generating money from thin air and capturing lost opportunities. Truthfully, it sounds a little bit too good to be true. That's why in today's video I'll go in depth explaining how SalesPeak works so you could evaluate whether or not this app could truly be a game changer. To an untrained eye, SalesPeak might look like any other AI chatbot, but it's not. SalesPeak is trained to perform a lot of different actions, all of them resulting in higher conversion rate. Let me explain 4 primary SalesPeak actions: engage, qualify, guide, and improve. First, we have the engagement phase. Engagement increases the session time, basically how long the visitor spends on your website, and it's the foundation for all other phases. Engagement starts as soon as your prospect enters the website. SalesPeak is built to adapt to each website visitor, creating a personalized experience. SalesPeak will greet and talk to each visitor, and while conversation might seem simple for you, SalesPeak is working hard to prepare for the second phase, the qualification. Because the conversation started, SalesPeak can begin qualifying each user based on your set criteria. SalesPeak will ask seemingly innocent questions that will be used to evaluate each user, weigh their buying intent, their needs, pain points, and desires. And all of this information will be used to qualify the user, and if needed, send the information on the user to your SDR team, so real people could take care of it. Of course, the conversation doesn't stop after the qualification phase. All qualified leads are guided through the whole sales process to ensure the highest conversion rate possible. SalesPeak does this by sharing relevant information with the prospect, answering all of their questions, and supporting them at each customer journey step. Up till this point, all SalesPeak is doing is improving each visitor's, or soon-to-be customers, experience, combining all of these phases to seamlessly get everyone from knowing nothing about your product to typing their credit card numbers into your Stripe subscription window. All of these interactions, the qualification and guidance, improve the conversion rate of each lead, turning them from strangers into loyal customers, or gathering information, giving you an unfair advantage compared to your competitors when it comes to cold outreach and closing deals. Of course, you have to be ready to take sales calls once SalesPeak helps you book dozens of them. But if you don't know how to sell, you won't close any deals and make any money. That's why I suggest you learn how I close thousands of dollars in deals in this video linked here. Subscribe and peace.